Today I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin using MoneyGram. Now here's the thing. MoneyGram doesn't actually let you send Bitcoin directly, but there are two simple workarounds that work 100% through their official partners. The first option is using the CoinMe app. All you need to do is download the CoinMe app, create your account, and set up a transaction by choosing how much Bitcoin you want to buy and the nearest MoneyGram location. Once that's done, you take the transaction details to the MoneyGram counter, hand over your cash, and in just a few minutes the Bitcoin is credited straight into your CoinMe wallet. The second option is through cex.io. After signing up and verifying your account, open your wallet, tap Add Funds, and select USDC with MoneyGram as the payment method. Enter the amount you want to deposit, provide your ID details, and you'll receive a unique reference number. Then you simply walk into the MoneyGram branch, pay your cash using that reference number, and within minutes the funds are added to your cex.io account as USDC. From there you can instantly convert the USDC to Bitcoin inside the app. So while you can't walk into MoneyGram and directly send Bitcoin like you would cash, these two methods let you reliably move from cash to crypto using their official services. It's quick, secure, and regulated, so you'll need your ID, and of course there are fees involved. But if your goal is to get Bitcoin with MoneyGram, this is exactly how you do it. Once the Bitcoin is in your wallet, you can send it anywhere in the world. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to MoneyGram, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with zero fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part, creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.